Hello, and welcome to OnlineEEI's tutorial video. For this video, we will show you how to set up your quick backdrop kit. Setup is simple and should only take a few minutes. This is Ryan, and he'll be your kit maker today. This kit includes 3 8-foot uprights, 3 14 by 16 inch base plates, 3 1.5-inch pins, 2 6 to 10 foot crossbars, and 6 95-inch drapes if purchased. Your first step is to place the screw into the hole underneath the base plate. Then, screw the pin onto the top of the plate. Repeat this step for the other 2 base plates. The crossbars are what your drapes will hang on. Each crossbar, fully collapsed, is 6 feet long. They can be extended to 8 feet for the first button lock, then 10 feet for the last button lock. For this tutorial, we will be setting each crossbar at 6 feet. Use the crossbars to set the bases to the correct distance for setup. The next step is to place the 8-foot uprights on top of the bases. To complete this step, slide the upright over the pin, making sure the slotted end is facing up. Repeat this step for the other 2 uprights. Next, thread the 3 drape panels over the entire crossbar. Make sure both ends of the crossbar have their hooks visible. Repeat this step for the other crossbar and drapes. For placing the first crossbar, raise it up to place the first hook into the slot on the top of the upright. For placing the second hook, lift the other upright, tilt it, then place the second hook into the slot. Once the hook is in place, re-slide the upright over the pin. Repeat these steps for the second crossbar. Once the crossbars are in place, you have now completed the setup of your quick backdrop kit.